And now to a challenge to Oklahoma's strict new anti-abortion law.
The state is now being sued for the near total abortion ban. News 4's Natalie Clydesdale is live at the state capitol. And Natalie, they didn't wait long. This legal fight comes less than a day after the bill was signed by the governor into law.
That's absolutely right, Kevin. This morning, the Center for Reproductive Rights expanded on the lawsuit they filed a few weeks ago, trying to block Oklahoma's Heartbeat Act to now include this new law, which bans nearly all abortions after conception.
HB 4327 has ended abortion care in Oklahoma, sending thousands of people into chaos.
Definitely disappointed, but not surprised.
Oklahoma now with the strictest anti-abortion law in the country.
We want Oklahoma to be the most pro-life state in the country. We want to outlaw abortion in the state of Oklahoma.
Governor Stitt following through on his promise Wednesday, signing the measure into law. It essentially bans abortions from the moment of conception unless the procedure is needed to save a woman's life or if the pregnancy was the result of rape or incest.
Certainly, the providers who offer abortion services in Oklahoma are devastated, as are their patients.
Thursday morning, the Center for Reproductive Rights filing a 27-page lawsuit with the Oklahoma Supreme Court trying to block this and one other anti-abortion law.
This presents a constitutional crisis. It has caused widespread harm.
It basically combines the suit filed in response to the Oklahoma Heartbeat Act, signed earlier this month, to also challenge this new abortion law.
We're going to ask the court to rule on them at the same time. And we hope that the court will step in to prevent the widespread harms that have been occurring.
And the ACLU saying they're fully on board, but doesn't want to put all their eggs in one basket.
We have the legal approach that our partners are doing such a great job of, but we also have a community organizing approach. People in Oklahoma should make sure that they are talking to their loved ones about the importance of abortion access.
The governor's office declined to comment on the pending lawsuit, but after the bill was signed, saying in part, quote, if other states want to pass different laws, that is their right. But in Oklahoma, we will always stand up for life. The Center for Reproductive Rights says they're not sure about the timeline for when the state Supreme Court will rule on the lawsuit. Live at the Capitol, Natalie Clydesdale, Oklahoma's News 4.